Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ram K English. I am Ram. I am also practice to speak English. If you want to speak English and you want to improve your communication skill, then you can follow my channel and you will also practice your English with me. If you are a beginner, then you have to try always small sentences like okay, go, come, let us go, let's come here, like this. If you are a villager boy, then you also try some English words like potato. It's mean you have to give all the things name in English. If you have a vegetables, then you call the vegetables name all. You have to learn properly 10 or 20 vegetables name which is day by daily use in your house. And if you want other things like dishes हो गया, dishes like vegetables, paneer, rice, paneer tikka, paneer chilli. As you know all the things and as you know all the names of dishes, you can put your according you. So this is not the my subjects. I want to tell you how to practice to speak English. This is the not my, ऐसा कुछ बोल सकते हैं ना. देखो मैं भी अभी तक सोच रहा था कि इंग्लिश में ही बोलूँगा बट हिंदी में नहीं बोलूँगा, बट क्या करें, बोलते टाइम आ ही जाता है ना. बट यू नॉट ट्राई टू स्पीक हिंदी व्हेन यू ट्राइंग टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. यू हैव टू आल्सो स्पीक इंग्लिश. If you have tutti frutti English, you have to try it, but you can't speak Hindi while trying you speaking English. Okay, this is the first mistake when you try to speak Hindi while you are speaking English. Okay guys, and another thing is you have to see English movies, and when you see English movies you have to see and read subtitles. जो नीचे सब टाइटल्स लिख कर आता है ना, उसी को आपको पढ़ना है. व्हेन यू रीड दैट्स सब टाइटल्स यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ द फीलिंग, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग एंड व्हाट इज़ द पोएट और राइटर और जो डायरेक्टर है वो व्हाट्स ही आर सी इज ट्राइंग टू से द ऑडियंस. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज़ you have to watch English movies, English podcast, and sometimes you have to listen English movies and English musics. When you listen English movies, then everything will be okay. This is my second day of speaking English. Speaking English नहीं बोलेंगे यहाँ पे. This is my second day of spoken English. ये होता है ऐसे अच्छा सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट डे में आपको मैं बताऊंगा जब बर्थडे वर्डे होता है तो उस पर क्या कैसे बोला जाता है. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, बाय बाय, जय श्री राम.